Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in seeing how I make this beautiful homemade jerk seasoning, you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for the full video, and you'll thank me later. All right, guys, let's jump right into the ingredients that we will need to make this delicious jerk seasoning. I have 3 bay leaves that I went ahead and cut up. I have 1 nutmeg that I'll be grating. I have 9 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of pimento seeds, or some might call it allspice. I have some thyme. I have 1 onion. And of course, you need some heat. I have some habanero peppers. And this is 9 scallions or green onions. You need some ginger. I have 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. I have half a cup of brown sugar. And you need some olive oil, 1 lime. I have some soy sauce I'll be using and some white vinegar. And this is half a cup of regular orange juice. You need some salt and pepper to taste, of course. And I am going to use a food processor to make it. So don't forget to check the description box where I will list exactly what I use and the correct measurements down there for you guys. So make sure you always check the description box. Let's get cooking, guys. So to get started, this recipe is really simple, but it's really delicious, guys. So it's almost like making Haitian Epis, except with different ingredients. We are going to start by putting our scallions. Of course, you want them to be clean. Put them right in the food processor. And I am going to just put in the pimento seeds. Just set that to the side. And I am going to put in the bay leaves right away. Again, all my stuff were already washed. And I am putting that garlic. And I am going to give a rough chop to my thyme. I'm going to take a little bit of them off, just like that. You guys know I love using the jerk seasoning from the bottle, but there's nothing better than making your own, guys. When I do have large parties or large gatherings at my house, I do like to make my own, but I can't believe I never did a video on how to make it until a girlfriend of mine asked me if I had a jerk seasoning video, because she know I always make jerk, and I realized I didn't. So I'm taking a piece of the ginger. Of course, it depends on how spicy you want it. I may be Haitian, but honey, I love me some Jamaican chicken. Like, I love it. I love the idea of mixing different cultures when it comes to food. I just love it. I don't see nothing wrong with that. I don't see nothing wrong with a little culture mix. Okay, R. Kelly, don't come for me now. Do not come for me. I know I can't sing, y'all, but y'all know I can cook. So I'm cutting the onions. Nothing too crazy. And I will show you guys, and I'm sure a lot of you have seen the bottle. This is the one I like to use. If I buy jerk seasoning at the store, this is what I reach for. Walker's Wood brand it's just it. It's like the best to me. So if I'm going to buy jerk seasoning from the store, that's what I go for. So I'm going to put in my ground cinnamon. What am I looking for? And gosh, I love pepper, but oh my gosh, when I cut them like that with no gloves, sometimes I forget and I put my hands in my mouth, on my nose, but I never learned my lesson. I'm always too lazy to grab gloves. But you want to make sure you have gloves on, because this is no joke. So it's a big warning. This is no jerk. So I'm removing, this is no joke. I said this is no jerk. I'm removing the seeds. Okay, just give it a rough chop. This is where the action is right here. The heat is what makes jerk. Of course, if you want mild, you can maybe use some jalapenos, but it's really not the same. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm not going to regret this, but I got this. Again, rough chop. I have a crazy recipe coming for you guys. So make sure if you are not subscribed to this channel, you are definitely going to want to subscribe because the holidays are coming and I don't leave you guys behind when it comes to the holidays. So make sure you definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Because Thanksgiving is coming, honey, and you guys know I'm always ready. I'm going to take that nutmeg. Let me move all that heat to the side. I'm going to take that nutmeg and grate a little bit, about 1/4 teaspoon if I can stop. I love me some nutmeg. And now you want to put the sugar. I won't even put the whole half cup, so maybe 1/4 cup of sugar. Again, check the description box because sometimes I tell you guys one thing, but I always have the right measurement in that description box. Because after I'm done, I can gather all my thoughts and actually give you guys the right measurement, okay? So this is 1 lime. And I am going to go ahead, ooh, I can feel that heat in my finger. Put about 1/3 cup of olive oil, roughly. And I am going to put 1/4 cup of soy sauce just to get that dark color. If you want it darker, of course you can put a little more, but I would not go overboard with that soy sauce. Just like that. And I'm going to drop in my orange juice and go in with some black pepper. Just like that. Go in with a little bit of salt. Or if you don't have orange juice, you have like pineapple juice. You can put that in there instead. Or you can use obviously fresh orange juice, like the ones that you squeeze yourself. You can use that. But this is all I'm putting in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the top. I don't want to give you guys any headache, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of blend it off camera, and I'll come back to show you guys how delicious this looks. Okay, so this is the finished product. We got ourselves a beautiful jerk seasoning, homemade jerk seasoning. We know exactly what went in there. And I did went ahead and add a little bit of that browning seasoning sauce just because I wanted it a little darker, because the ones I bought from the store is usually darker than this. So if you want it extra dark, you can definitely put some of that browning, but this is what I got, and I'm getting ready to season some chicken. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video coming up so you can see exactly what I do with this seasoned chicken. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I will leave all links down in the description box for you guys. Other than that, this will do it. Again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like your jerk seasoning mild or spicy. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But this will do it for this video. I love you guys for watching. Please continue to stay safe. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.